How to change your name on BeReal. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up BeReal, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the top, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then click on your profile at the top, and here click on full name to change your name using this field right here. And once you are done, click on save at the bottom to save the changes. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the BeReal name. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.